Hey everybody, it's the Outdoor Show with Robert Burton, and today I am in a Keystone, Montana, rear living, and I get a lot of questions. What's a good trailer that I can work out of? If you're traveling, I get a lot of insurance adjusters who hit storms and things like that, and they want to be able to work but have a comfortable living space. So I'm going to show you a couple things in this Keystone, Montana. It's the 3561 rear living, okay? It's a 2019 model, and I'm going to flip the camera around in just a second, and I just want to show a couple of quick things in this trailer that make it perfect if you have an internet business, if you're an insurance guy, if you travel around and you just want to have a way to work out of your coach. This is a pretty cool trailer. And this, the Keystone Montana, for those of you that don't know, is a full-timers trailer. So you can actually let Keystone know that you're full-time, and they will still honor your warranty, which is a big deal, because most of the competitors for this trailer, they don't do that. So anyway, enough of that, and let's flip around the camera. So I'm going to stop this right here, and we'll be right back. Hang on. All right, guys, welcome back. Thanks for putting up with me, but you can see there's a lot of glare in here, and I apologize. But what makes this really cool is this little desk area right here. The TV goes up and down into that cabinet there. It also has HDMI plugs, so you could actually plug your computer into that TV. You'd have a heck of a computer screen, by the way. There's a stereo system. There's two power ports. If you look right here, and there's the stereo, and then another power port here. You also have, and I'll open it to, oops, sorry about putting my thumb in that. But anyway, there's a nice big file drawer. And you have another cabinet over here. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff here. You got two nice LED lights on the slide out, okay? And you got day-night shades. You do have two shades in the Montana. You got this privacy shade, and then you also have a sunshade. Both of them are easy to put out and put down. They go up and down by themselves. They're really nice. All right, and you do have nice windows. And then, of course, this big 50-inch TV. That's pretty cool. All right, it has HDMI and USB inputs. This is kind of, let me back up here. All right, so this is the living area, couch, which makes out into a bed. You have two theater seats over here, directly across from the TV. Ceiling fan, lots of cabinet space in this coach. Let me come back around here. Here's the the kitchen, okay? And there's the coffee bar, dual tub sink, oven, stove, and of course the Keystone Montana legless table that they're famous for. So anyway, really what I wanted to do is just, I'm not going to go through the whole coach, but for those of you that are looking for an office space out to work outside of your coach, this is something to take a look at. We'll have a direct link to the to some pictures and some other stuff on the bottom of our bottom of our channel, sorry. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the Robert Burton Outdoor Show. Love you guys, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back soon.